Hey guys, welcome to the fifth module of the virtual assistant world. This is the last module. I'm Jam and I'm your trainer for today. And in this module, we will talk about the basic tools of a virtual assistant. This will not be long. This will be straight to the point. But for anything else, once again, if you haven't joined Barangay VA community yet, go ahead and join Barangay VA community by clicking the link in your profile. So, not in the profile, but in the description box. So you will learn how to maximize the community based on your needs, and so you can maximize it based on your whatever, you know, because we have a free VA course in there, so check it out. This will help you, this will onboard you to our community so you know how to maximize it. Now, three basic tools that you need as a virtual assistant. All right. Three basic tools, and the other one is not required. All right. First is a laptop or computer. Okay. No laptop, no VA or freelancing. It's very important that you have a laptop because it's a money generating tool. Not all clients, not all agencies provide laptops. Okay, so if you plan to be a virtual assistant, make sure that you already have one. All right. Here are the basic requirements, like processor of Core i5 or higher, memory of 500 gig, not grams, gig to 1 terabyte. For the RAM, it's 8 gig minimum, better if it's 16. It depends. So if we're gonna do video editing, better if it's 16. But if we're gonna do like basic stuff, only 8 gig is enough. System should be like the late operating system, should be the latest, whether it's Mac or or Windows, and it should have a camera. So if you have a desktop, then you must have a webcam with at least 1080 quality. All right, so that's the basic specs of a laptop or computer. Second is, of course, which not required, but some agencies or clients requires it. It depends on the type of job that you're doing. Headphones with noise canceling microphones. So there are a lot of brands out there. Up to you, depends on your budget. If it works, then go for it. All right, you go to Shopee or whatever, TikTok Shop, or maybe Amazon. Whatever works for you, go for it. Okay, as long as it has a noise canceling microphone, then go for it. And lastly, guys, a very important is a reliable Wi-Fi connection, which is a minimum speed of 20 Mbps. And I'm not actually happy with that. I'd go for 100 to 120 onwards. All right, so and that's the download speed, not the upload speed. It depends, all right? But I do have the 100 to 120 Mbps. 20 for me is too slow, especially if you are a creative, if you're doing Canva, it's slow. If you're doing something that's cloud-based, that's low. But sometimes you're in a location that doesn't have like good Wi-Fi connection. So at 20 Mbps is the reliable one, but do not do that. Do at least 100. So, you know, it's convenient for you and your client. So these are the three basic tools that you must have as a virtual assistant. The rest that you see online, improve based on your budget. Start with what you have, but these are just the three basic ones. Okay, don't worry about the rest. All right. That's it for me for today. Thank you so much for listening. Once again, the assignment is to comment below your learnings from this manual. All right. And congratulations for finishing the virtual assistant world module, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.